Classroom objects, flashcards. Sharpener. The sharpener is red. Pencil case. The pencils are in the pencil case. Table. The table is round. Stapler. The stapler is on my desk. Crayons. I like to use my crayons. Books. Books are awesome. Glue. The glue is sticky. Bookcase. The bookcase is almost empty. Markers. Markers are colorful. Scissor. The scissor is very sharp. Pencil. The pencil is short. Chair. The chair is comfortable. Board. The board is white. Ruler. The ruler has 12 inches. Clock. The clock tells me the hour. If you like the video, like and share. And remember, subscribe. Bye!